S.S.C. Board Maharashtra State, Subject Higher English, Unit Number 1.6, Alchemy of Nature. The Alchemy of Nature is an inspiring article written by Raksha Bharadiya by taking inspiration from William Blake's poem Alchemy of Nature. Here, the narrator describes her close experiences with different features of nature and the wonderful lessons in life she has learned from it. Alchemy of Nature. To see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wild flower. Hold infinity in the palm of your hand and eternity in an hour. By William Blake. Something as tiny as a grain of sand can spark off an idea or imagination of a huge significance to the world. One can witness and experience the beauty of heaven in something as small as wildflower and derive joy forever. Only one should have the eyes and time to see it. Infinity is endless space, but your small palm can hold the destiny of earth through your efforts. Eternity is endless time, but just an hour in your life can make a difference to the world forever. Great deeds can surpass the limits of time and space. They never die. And now the meanings. Alchemy means a form of chemistry in the Middle Ages which involved trying to discover how to change ordinary metals into gold. We instinctively turn to outdoor activities and nature as a way of relaxing and enhancing our well-being. Nature soothes and nurtures. Nature fulfills and motivates. Nature whispers and commands. Are you listening? When I do, it leaves me in complete awe. And now the meanings. Instinctively means by a natural instinct. Enhancing means enriching. Awe means respect or admiration with fear. We have a hibiscus plant in our garden. Every fortnight a flower blooms on it, big, bright and tender. Through the day it smiles with the sun and dances with the wind, but as evening approaches it starts wilting. The morning after, it withers completely, and by evening it falls and becomes one with the earth again. The flower comes to life only for a day, yet it does so in full splendor. What if we too lived our life, however short, to its fullest? And now the meanings. Wilting means drying and drooping. Withers means dries and decays. Splendor means impressive beauty. We went to a rocky beach and saw the spread of the majestic ocean and the rocks alongside, carved, sculpted and shaped by the water. Water is so gentle, rock so hard, yet as the water flows over it every day, for years the rock gives in. It takes the shape that the water commands. Our problems are so colossal and we are so small. Yet if we persist. And now the meanings. Sculpted means carved. Colossal means huge or massive. We saw small bits of grass peeping through the small cracks in a concrete pavement. It left us thinking, however impossible things may look, there is always an opening. We saw a tree bare of all leaves in the cold winter months. We thought its chapter was over. But 3 months passed, spring set in, and the tree was back to its green majesty once again, full of leaves, flowers, birds, and life. What if we too had the conviction that however difficult things are right now, it will not remain so forever? Remember, this too shall pass. Now the meanings. Chapter was over. Here it means life was over. Conviction means strong, firm belief. We saw an army of ants lugging a fly which was at least 10 times the ant's size. The ants organized themselves around the fly, lifted it on frail feelers, and carried it to quite a distance. Their teamwork and perseverance were impressive. What if we too are consistent, organized, focused? And now the meanings. Lugging, pulling with great difficulty. Frail means weak. Feelers means two long parts on the head of an insect like ant used for feeling and touching the things. Perseverance means constant efforts in spite of obstacles. Consistent means steady. Spider webs are delicate yet very strong. A rainbow colors the entire sky. Oysters take in a grain of sand, they open up with a pearl. Innumerable stars shine across the infinite sky. Clouds take new shapes with every passing moment. The wind makes trees dance with unhindered passion. Water, without hint of ego, changes its form according to the dictates of the sun and the wind. When we see a caterpillar turn into a butterfly, a flower turn into a fruit, we experience the alchemy of nature. We touch it and become gold ourselves. And now the meanings. Unhindered means without disturbance, without any obstacle. Alchemy means mysterious power or magic that can change things.